How to create an account on Lootlabs. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Lootlabs. To do so, first of all, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type in lootlabs.gg. Once you enter this keyword, press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Lootlabs. In this page, you'll be able to locate Sign Up button at the left side and also at the top right corner of your screen. Simply click on this option and then you will be presented with this screen on your PC. At the right side, here now you will need to enter all the details. Enter your in the first text box and enter your last name in the second text box. After that, enter your email address. Once after entering your email address, now create a strong password for your account. Click on this Set a Password box and then there, if you want to use the password suggested by Google Password Manager, you can simply enter it. If not, you can click on this Choose Your Own option at the bottom and then create a password for your account. Once after entering the password, now enter the same password in the second box. Make sure they match each other. After that, click on this next button right here and then you will need to fill in some more details. Select your game and then select your source of traffic. Also select your messenger type and then enter your desired username. After that, you will need to verify you're not a robot. For that, click on this checkbox and after successful verification, also click on this checkbox to state that you agree to the terms and conditions of Lootlabs. Once after doing that, now you can click on this register button at the bottom. After doing that, you will need to wait for a while and then you will see you have successfully created an account on Lootlabs. After registering your account, you will find an email from Lootlabs. Open the email and inside it, here you'll be able to see this activate button. Simply click on this activate button and after that, you will be presented with the login interface. Here now you will need to use your credentials in order to log into your account. In the first text box, here enter your email address associated to your account. Once after entering your email address, in the second text box, enter your password of your account. Make sure to enter the correct password here. After that, click on this I'm not a robot checkbox and tick mark will appear here. Once after that, click on this login button and wait for a while. After a few moments, you will reach to this page. Here now you can fill in your creator details and upload an image to continue further. So this is how you can create an account on Lootlabs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.